to another episode of Hard Hat Heroes, and this time I'm in Shop 31, the inside machine shop, and I'm standing in front of the USS Carl Vinson's rudders, both the port and the starboard rudder. I can't wait to surprise this group of folks. It's been incredible what they've been doing. True artisanry work. Wait till you see this. Let's go do this. Well, guess what? Surprise! You are our Hard Hat Heroes, and here to tell you congratulations for the work that you're doing on the USS Carl Vinson rudders. This is the critical path for the Carl Vinson to get her out of dock, and I know that the efforts that you guys are putting in place are continuous. They are definitely hard charging, there's no doubt about it, and you guys are making a difference. How many dunks are we up to right now?
On one shift, we can usually get about 10 dunks in.
Can you tell us a little bit about what a dunk is?
The rudder stock, we put about 4/10 worth of bluing material on it, and then we push it down into the hole. We'll come out, we'll inspect and see how much contact we have on the inside of the bore, and then we keep dunking over and over again. So, long process, but in the end, we'll get it done.
Because we have one mission.
One team.
Great job.
Captain!